Haven't heard any bait balls popping off in here. By 6, 7 o'clock, I expect a bass boat or two to come flying in. Ooh, right there.
Right.
Go toss. Are you tossing or am I?
You can. I'm in there still. Come on.
Yeah. Oh. You had a bite, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
They come back for it sometimes here. Very often.
It might be some just bull thing because it's.
Nope, you got one. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, fish?
Now I do. Yep.
There you go, babe. Oh, remember your net? Yeah, a little smallmouth. Woo, no skunk for Shannon.
Oh my
God. Yeah, babe.
He's a fighter.
Yeah, they fight real good.
Jeez.
Woo.
Got him.
Yeah, no skunk. You'd think it was a 3+ pound bass.
I know,
the way they fight,
yeah.
Right?
Crazy.
Good job, babe.
There we go. First little guy of the day.
All right, first, not the last. We just got here. Oh, oh. I think I got a fish. Yep. Oh. Woo! Here's a couple pound smallmouth. Whoa! Did I got him tired yet? There we go. Oh, God, that's a good fish. That's a nice one, babe. Yeah, that might be a 3. There we go. Don't flip out. There we go. See? Got a belly.
Yep.
Full up. Not a bad smallmouth. Hold on. There he goes. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's all in those weeds. Come on. There we go. Oh, I guess we're going for a ride still. I gotta boat flip his ass. This is what I get for not bringing another net. Got him. Got him. It's a little guy, but I will take it. Nice little guy. Fun fight.
Yeah, you're on.
Yep. Ooh, that's a little guy.
Yep.
Jeez, they dive. Yeah. He's going in circles down there. Oh my God, yeah, he's pretty small. Teeny tiny little teeny thing. Whoop. Got one.
Nice.
It's gotta be. Oh, I hope it's not a pickerel. Whoa! Pretty good one. Oh, God. God, he's flippy. There we go. I gotcha. Yeah, I got it. Got him. Fish on.
Nice.
Little guy.
Another small one.
Yep.
That's great. Right at the boat flip him. Woo!
Ouch, Mike. Whoop. There he goes. Now I gotta get him. Oh, God.
Hey, babe.
I did it.
We doubled up.
I'm aiming at you.
We're leaving fish for fish. I'm aiming at you. We're doing the #1 mistake in the book.
What, leaving fish?
Yeah, leaving fish for fish. So should we do one more cast? Yeah, just one more cast, and then we're out of here.
Fish on. I don't know. Ooh. Smallie, I think. Oh, dang it!
What was it?
It was big.
Oh, I think I got a fish. Yep. I don't think it's big. Maybe. Oh, yeah. It's not a bad fish. Yay, babe, we found fish. And what were we pinpointing? Weeds in the 10 to friggin' whatever foot range, and here we are. They fight great. Just a little guy. But boy, that was fun. Nothing huge today so far, but we've caught fish. Weighted wacky, getting it done. Got to find the isolated weed beds in the like 6 to 12 foot range, and we are there. Oh, is that a fish? Yep. Yep. Right on this cliff. It feels all right. You know how that is though. Oh yeah, it's a largemouth. It wasn't huge, but it felt great. Yeah, right on this shelf, babe. Woo! Whoop. I was just gonna let you go anyways. I was like, let me give one quick cast. All this tackle behind me, all these rods, I'm gonna toss a weighted Senko all day. C'est la vie. Yeah, it's a nice break. It goes to frickin'
Got
15. Nice, babe. Yay! Net him. Oh God, forget your paddle. Don't worry about it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Work it.
So, what is it? Oh, it's...
Nice. Yeah, right on this point. See how this point breaks right here? And then it drops. This is great. Good spot.
Ah, they're biters, huh?
Yeah, they're feisty.
Oh, it's right in his tongue. Got it.
Good job.
All right, little guy. Yay.
That was awesome. That's just after losing one immediately.
Yep.
What? You might have had a bite though. Oh, there we go. Shannon, you know how it is, but it feels... Whoa, oh, a wave. That was a good fish. Oh my God. This is a nice fish. Oh, I'm glad I have my spool open. Oh, here it comes. Whoa. Oh, don't spit it. Even if I don't catch it, at least he justifies coming back. This is so much fun. Oh man. All right, my spool's open. Spool's open if he needs to take. Oh God, he's taking. Oh. He just took more. He's gonna jump. Nope. This is a 3+. He's in the side of the face, so this might be 3. He looks like he's 3. He's caught right in the side of the face. Got him. This is a nice bass. That should be a 3-pounder. Woo! Yeah, man. Oh, I really even could have used you on tournament day. Oh, that fight was awesome. We need to just stay right here for a while. That's just all there is to it. Almost 19 inches. Yeah, that'll be a 3-pounder if he'll stay still enough for me to weigh him. Yeah, baby. 3 pounds, 1 ounce, babe. Here it is, guys. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. See you later, girl. Thank you for the amazing Winnipesaukee fight. That was epic. You had a bite? Oh, babe. Dang. Keep working it. Oh, right off, babe, as soon as it hit. Whoa! He hit the water and he ate it. That was awesome. I think it's a largemouth. That thing hit the water and he was on it. Ah. That was cool. Woo! No, it's a smallmouth. Stop it so I can have my worm. Probably about 1.25 pounds. Nice, thank you. Woo!